Oh, I thought you wanted to do like you see when you're watching the videos when they're showing the toys.
This was I don't know what store it is.
We got it from Ross.
This is from Ross, and I just found it, and it was for sale. It has all kind of puzzles in it. It has 4 puzzles, and everyone can count to 4. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 kind of Paw Patrol puzzles. They're all Paw Patrol that's like on my phone, and you have it all day. Some are Marshall, some are every pups stuff, and it's just fine for sale. So let's open it. This is just from the box, and it's so hard to open up your Lego. You can't figure out how to open it. And now when Disney says